loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen and this is another vlog. I hope you all have been doing great. I've been doing great myself. Today is on a Saturday and I want to spend the whole day with me. So first of all, I'll start by stripping my bed and changing all my bed sheets, and then I'll later go and do my utensils. I won't describe it much. Let's see how the day unfolds. So today is on a Saturday and I really have a lot on hand to do, and this is the day where I do most of my general cleaning, but today I'm skipping because I have a lot on hand. First of all, I'll wash my utensils, mop my floors, and head up to the market, and I still have to make my hair, wash my clothes. I mean, a very busy day indeed.
Years later.
So hi guys, I'm done washing my utensils and mopping the floors. So what I need to do is just get out. I need to get some groceries and some one or two things which I don't have in the house, essentials. And then I think I'll finish up with the laundry, yeah, because once I start laundry, I think I'll just spend a lot of my time there. So it's around it's 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon, so I need to go out and yeah, I think I'm getting my stuff somewhere around the same place. The supermarket is just opposite the market, so I'll just go and do them once. So let me see you on the other side. From the supermarket and the market, and this is what I'm restocking for the rest of the month, or rather it will just take me for a while. So I have my, what do we call it, maize flour, only one pack because I had another pack. Then tea masala sachets, soda already taking it. I have my tissue 10 pack, wet wipes, Ribena for my daughter. That one is already used, or we have already taken it. Margarine, chocolate. This is what I use for my baby. Ballet jelly. Weetabix. I still have some of these ones. Then I have my serviettes, I got the value pack. This one will take me for like 2 months almost. Then my disinfectant Downy. This is it. This is the deal, guys. Just go for this one. The clothes are really smelling nice. I love this scent. Then I have my, what do you call it? Omo or Aereo. You know, we tend to say like everything is Omo. I have my Aereo, and I'm really addicted to anything that is lavender. Anything that has a lavender scent, that is me. Then I have my soap. I use Imperial Leather. Sometimes I think I shift from one brand to the other. Then I have my blue bubbles. I've already inserted one in my toilet. This is my air freshener for my toilet, and this one is also lavender. Guys, you can see everything is lavender. I really love the lavender scent. And then my toilet cleaner oil, cooking oil, clean film, and a foil. And I think I also got milk. I've already stored it where it's supposed to be. Milk and bread and some I think some yogurt. Oh yeah, I had yogurt also. I think that's it for my shopping. Let's go to the grocery side. So for the fruits and groceries, I do buy the ones which will last for a week because I don't have a fridge yet, but we are getting there soon, yeah. So I buy the ones which will just go for 1 week. I restock every Saturday when it comes to groceries, things which are perishable, yeah. So I'll wash them thoroughly with vinegar and water, rinse them well so that they can be ready to consume. And you also guys know in the market these fruits are being touched by anybody, so they have a lot of dirt and germs. So guys, I'm just done washing my fruits and vegetables, and this is what I got. Sweet potatoes, onions, oranges and tangerine. I have the red fruit, I can't recall the name, cucumber, capsicum and tomatoes. And since my stomach was not giving me any peace, I had to take some leftover pilau and guacamole, a soda, so that I can get energy to push me to doing laundry.
2,000 years later.
So after some time, I'm done with the laundry, and I needed to go straight to the salon, do my hair, and then do my makeup because I had a dinner date. guys, I'm done with my hair and makeup, and by the way, I do my own makeup. Rate me on the comment section. So I notice every time I'm recording at my sister's shop, there is always background music, and I don't want to get a copyright, so I had to do a voiceover. So I'll just head home, dress up. Yeah, let me show you the outfit that I'm going out with. So guys, this is the outfit of my day. I have a red dress, black and silver heels, a silver watch, and the earrings that I had, a clutch bag, and then I'll throw in a black coat on my neck, on my shoulders, sorry. So guys, that's how it came out. I think I'll post a picture on how the outfit looked like in full on my Instagram. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me see you in the next video. May the good Lord bless you.